This is All India Radio, Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Elections to 55 Rajya Sabha seats, including 5 seats in the Northeast falling vacant in April in 17 states, will be held on March 26. This was announced by Election Commission yesterday. According to the schedule, the notification will be issued on March 6 and March 13 is the last date for filing of nominations. The polling will be held on March 26 from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and votes will be counted at 5 p.m. on the same day. On April 2, the terms of 7 seats in Maharashtra, 6 in Tamil Nadu, 5 in West Bengal and 4 in Odisha would expire. 5 seats in Bihar, 4 seats each in Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat, 3 in Assam, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, 2 each in Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Haryana and Jharkhand, and 1 each in Himachal Pradesh and Manipur will become vacated on April 9. 1 seat in Meghalaya would be vacated on April 12. The High-Level Committee on Clause 6 of Assam Accord has submitted its report to the Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal in Guwahati in the presence of his cabinet colleagues yesterday. Our AIR correspondent reports that the committee headed by Justice Retired Biplab Kumar Sharma has recommended measures to protect the interest of the indigenous people of the state. However, the recommendations are yet to be made public. The Assam government will send the report to Union Home Ministry for follow-up action. Union Home Minister Amit Shah yesterday chaired a meeting in view of the current situation in the national capital after violence erupted in northeast Delhi over the issue of Citizenship Amendment Act. Delhi's Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, representatives of different political parties and officials attended the meeting. During the meeting, Mr. Shah urged the political parties to exercise restraint and rise above party lines to tackle the situation. After the meeting, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal termed the meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah positive, saying it was decided that all parties will take necessary steps to restore peace in Delhi. With the killing of 6 more people yesterday, PTI reports that the toll in the communal violence in northeast Delhi rose to 13. Thunderstorm accompanied by gusty wind and heavy rain is likely to occur at isolated places in East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya today and tomorrow. People have been advised to take extra care to avoid any incidences and ensure safe keeping of all objects. Arunachal Pradesh Civil Aviation Minister Nakap Nalo yesterday urged the Airport Authority of India to put in efforts to complete the greenfield airport at Hollongi within the targeted time frame. Chairing a meeting with AAI officials and representatives of Dinesh Chandra R. Agarwal Infracon Private Limited, the Ahmedabad-based firm engaged to construct the project, the minister assured them to extend all possible help in completing the airport. The minister asked the construction firm and the AAI to coordinate with the state government departments for the smooth execution of the project. The work, once awarded, has to be completed within a period of 30 months. The foundation stone of the Hollongi airport was laid by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on February 9 last year. The opposition Congress in Meghalaya yesterday asked the state government to withdraw its petition filed in the High Court against the Lokayukta's order for a CBI probe into the alleged coal racket. Leader of opposition Mukul Sangma said the anti-graft body was constituted to fight corruption, and when it is doing its duty, the government is instrumental in delaying it, which can be interpreted as trying to destroy evidences to go scot-free. In Mizoram, a total of 3,133 people have received financial assistance under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana during the 2019-2020 fiscal. This was informed by Deputy Chief Minister Taun Luya in the State Assembly yesterday. Taun Luya, who is the State Urban Development and Poverty Alleviation Minister, said the centre under the scheme has sanctioned 93.996 crore rupees for Mizoram. Out of the sanctioned amount, 35.319 crore has been distributed among 3,133 beneficiaries during 2019-2020 fiscal. And with that, we are the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.